Standard 10, here we find Bassanio is trying to convince to the people in the court that just observe the way Shylock is behaving and how he is showing his hatred and anger towards Antonio. You have to keep this in mind because he has come fully loaded with money to pay back the loan. Okay. But Shylock is adamant to have the pound of flesh. So here, when Shylock says, "What, wouldst thou have a serpent sting thee twice?" Now what he means is that you wouldn't want a snake. Serpent means a snake. That once it bites you, you wouldn't want the same snake to bite you again or be bitten by a snake twice. Now, what Shylock means is that he does not want to give Antonio a second chance to intervene or to ruin his money lending business. So he feels now this is the golden opportunity he has got to take out his revenge. Now, Antonio has been listening to about how the Duke, the Magnificos, the rich merchants, everyone is pleading Shylock to forgive him and to forego the pound of flesh. And each time they requested him, their request was turned down. Now Antonio is also fed up of people going and keep on requesting him and then he turns down the request. So now he says, "I pray you think you question with the Jew." So now I think it's high time that we stop requesting the Jew for pardoning me or okay. Says, "You may as well go stand upon the beach and bid the main flood bait his usual height." He says, now these are all usual attempts. Oh, sorry, useless attempts because each time they went and requested him, he turned down the request. So he's comparing Shylock's obstinacy towards his how he turns down the request. It is similar to if he says if you go to the beach and if there is a high tide and you request the sea, please calm down, please lower your height because it is dangerous for the fishermen. So, do you think that the sea is going to listen to your command? What he meant was you cannot be like a Jesus Christ to say, "Peace be calm," and the sea will listen to you. It's a useless attempt. Then again he says, "Why? You may as well use question with the wolf, why he had made the ewe blue for the lamb." Okay. Now he says, now you can go and request a treacherous wolf, and you tell the wolf, "See what you have done. You have made the mother to weep because you have killed its lamb." Do you think that the wolf is going to listen to your request and show pity? Because a wolf is a treacherous animal. It cannot be tamed. So he says that also is a useless attempt. Okay. When they are okay. Now, according to Antonio, he feels that making a request to Shylock is a useless attempt. Now he says, "You may as well forbid the mountain pines to weigh their high tops and to make no noise when they are fretted with the gust of heaven." So now if you go to the mountain tops, you will find all these pine trees. Okay. Now these pine trees, sometimes they are covered with snow, and when there is a blizzard or when there is a strong storm, what happens? These leaves, when they shake, they make a terrible noise. A terrible sound comes from there. So now, if you go over there and tell these trees, pine trees, now look, you better stop making a noise when the wind blows. So, do you think that the trees are going to listen to you? So, these are all useless attempts. You may as well do anything most hard and seek to soften that, than which what's harder is Jewish heart. He says, maybe, he says, if you compare all these useless attempts, they may not be as tough as trying to convince or to soften Shylock's heart. Therefore, I do beseech you, make no more offers, use no further means, but with all brief and plain conventency, let me have judgment and the Jew his will. So therefore, I am requesting everyone present over here, please do not make any more attempts in requesting or trying to soften the heart of Shylock. He says, now I would request that leave all these things aside and you make your judgment and let the Jew has his will. Means let him have the pound of flesh as it is written in the bond. So now I'll keep it till here. Okay. So tomorrow again, not tomorrow, on Monday, I shall proceed with the further lesson. Thank you.